apparently the God is too incomprehensible a language to even understand. So I'm like, yo, God, like, what's up with 10,000 years? Like, you can't expect him to live to 10,000 years. And God was like, the prophets and Abraham's not dead to me. He's dead to humans. He's dead to man. He's not dead to me, yo. Something that little nigga do is going to be around and still have influence in the kind of kingdom that he's building. So what? So be it. And 10,000 years is to 10,000 years to a nation. Do what it do. He said to tell him to do what it do. Don't worry. See, like, maybe I'm putting restraints on what he can accomplish by saying that he has to be recognized president. But who doesn't recognize the real president? So don't worry about that. Like, worry about humanoid stuff. Just worry about humanoid stuff. And the incomprehensible stuff, leave that to, an El Presidente. They have a different going back and forth, I guess, that they has to do. So it might seem strange that I'm pointing out that I had conversations. They're like, how are you talking to God? I can't even talk. That's the thing. How do you even make words? String them together in a sentence and spell sentences. Even the letters are characters themselves that are aspects ascribed to deism that are married to numerology. So, oh shit, like that? Like that though? I didn't know how you was gonna do it like that. That's still doing like this, like that, and talking to me like this, like that.